2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, stability control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.